Look, initially when Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao came as a campaign into being, what it meant was save your daughters, educate them, take them forward, because we all know for a fact that women will contribute to the society in so many ways that that only women can do, and that is something that's lacking in the society currently.
आजादी हम नहीं रुकेंगे, आजादी तुम कुछ भी कर लो, आजादी हम मिलकर लेंगे.
UP as a state has had a lot of governance failures, and one of the very visible outcomes of that is the social and economic inequality, which translates into violence on Dalits and marginalized communities. So the recent atrocity is just one horrific and barbaric incident which has really tested people's patience, and development cannot happen at the cost of the lives of the marginalized. Hence we are protesting and we expect him to resign.
Resign करो, resign करो.
Yeah, actually we need safety for the women. Like every day, one or the other day is a rape every other day happening. Recently in Madhya Pradesh, even after that Hathras rape, the other incident happened. Then other incident happened in Madhya Pradesh. So people have no fear of law. So we need strict laws against the rapists. Until and unless we don't have strict laws for the rapists, this is gonna be normal, and we need a government reform. This government is I don't want to say it, but it's incompetent. It need to be competent. It has to work. Government duty is to work for the citizens, not for the rich people. So please give attention to the people who are suffering, especially the women's safety. Women's safety the must priority.
Resign करो.
Now, who knew that this is a warning? Who knew it meant that, oh my goodness, save your daughters, save from the predators that are out there. Instead of, save your daughters, earlier it was a take on female infanticide. Right. And now it's just save your daughters, man, from being raped and from all the atrocities out there.
So what are your personal demands from the protest?
Look, I mean, is it too much to just ask for safety and equality and just a place in the society where you're respected? I don't think that's basic human nature. We should not be protesting these things.
So my demand from the protest is that we spread this awareness as much as possible. We want as many people as we can to stand up and start asking the government questions, because all of us have been on autopilot, and it's worrying, like the last few years.
So since the lockdown, we've seen a drastic increase in the number of rape cases in the country, and particularly in the UP. What do you have to say about it? And since you're demanding for the resignation of UP CM Adityanath, what is your take on the whole, and what are your views about it?
So the thing is that we are just most of the time we're just addressing the symptom of the problem, but the root cause has always been there, which is the problems with our society, which is the patriarchy, and how women safety is not really a priority, and even women equality is not a priority. So we need a complete overhaul of the system, and what we're seeing is just a symptom, and we need to start working towards a place where women are considered equal in this country.
Speaking of a solution, do you know, or can you think of a solution for our country?
I mean, yeah, you've put me on the spot, but right now I think the main thing is, instead of just saying that, yeah, we respect women and stuff like that, we need to show that in action. It's clearly not translating into action. It's all just words and talk, especially the current government. Like you say, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao and all, but what is that really translating to at the end of the day at the ground level? It's not much. So you need leaders to set examples of, okay, if women are important to you, get women more in upper positions, give more respect to them everywhere.
Thank you so much.
Yeah.